My dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to an Abir Home School. This is Abir Hossain, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take Mathematics class 4, class 2. And our today's topic is times table 13 and 14. Now today's lecture is 20 and here is my contact number. If you need, you can call me at any problem. Now let's go to start our class. Looks here is times table of 13. In 13, 3 is 1's place and 1 is 10's place. So I have to write 3 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place. 13 zeros are 0. 13 zeros are 0. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 4 in 1's place, 0 is 10's place and 1 is 100 place. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Hope you understood this one. Now again read out the times table of 13. 13 zeros are 0. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Practice it at your home more and more. Now next one is times table 14. Again 4 is here 1's place and 1 is here 10's place. So 14 zeros are it will be 0. 14 ones are it will be 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. Now read out again the times tables of 14. 14 zeros are 0. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 sixes are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 2 is here 1's place, 1 is here 10's place and again 1 is here 100 place. 14 nines are 126 and last one is 14 tens are 140. Practice it at your home more and more. You have to learn the times table of 13 and 14. Practice it at your home. See you soon and till then, Allah Hafiz.